Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Pin Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to repost Instagram Reels on your Instagram account. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe, and below we just quickly move on to the video. So how to repost the Reels on your Instagram account, just going to show in this video about the new update. So actually we have a new option to repost the Reels. So now you can see there is a repost tab on the Instagram. So here I just already reposted some posts and videos. I'm just going to show how to repost the Reels. Just go to your Reels first and just pick any Reels you just need to repost. So after going inside your Reel, you have this option called Repost on the below the comment section. Just click on this and you have this option called tick option, which indicates that the Reels has been reposted. So just go to the repost option, or you can find the Reels in the repost tab. This is how it just simple. Click on the repost tab. You can find a single tick option on the repost option. So this is how you just repost the Reels on your Instagram account. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day.